Hello, little friends. Today we will remember a significant day in history, September 11th. We'll talk about the brave people and how the world came together. On this day, in 2001, something sad happened in a big city called New York. There were significant buildings called the Twin Towers, and people went to work there. But that day, something unexpected happened, and the towers came tumbling down. A lot of people were hurt on that day. It made many people sad, and many families were separated from each other on that day. Many brave firefighters, police officers, and helpers rushed to help the people in need. They were like superheroes, working together to keep everyone safe. People from all over the world sent love and support to show they cared. We remember this day not to be scared, but to celebrate how people helped each other. Families, friends, and even strangers held hands and helped each other feel better. It's like when we allow our friends to pick up toys or share our snacks. Kids, a special place called a monument was built to remember the Twin Towers. It's like a big, tall fountain with water falling. This monument reminds us of the people who were brave and kind on September 11th. We can look at it and think about how people helped each other. It's a peaceful place where we remember to be friendly and caring to our friends and families. Like water flows, our love and kindness can also keep flowing. Remember, even when sad things happen, helpers and heroes always exist. We can be kind, just like they were. We can show love to our friends, hug our families, and be brave when things are tough. So, let's remember the brave people on this day and every day. It's okay to ask questions if you're curious, and always remember that kindness and love can make the world a better place. Like helpers and heroes, we can make a difference by being good friends and caring for one another. It was so nice to see you on our Pleasant Memories Education YouTube channel, where we not only care for each other, but learn about all kinds of interesting things. Please visit us again. Consider subscribing to our channel, and remember to be kind to all the people around you. See you soon, my kindest friends.